First load of stitches on the hoop frame with the 15R. Let's try on that side of me. Because this is previously quilted, I'm trying to just go over my previous quilting lines, which is not very easy in the slightest. All these people you see on YouTube doing it, it looks so easy, but it isn't. I've tried out feathers, I've tried out, because this is the rule foot. See, I'm trying out different camera angles as well. This is where it will be convenient for me in the tripod, which means it won't be convenient for anything else. This design is called Three Roots, and I saw Leah Day doing it, so I thought, that would give me some practice. I've now set this up, I'm going to be still here. I've now set this up for left-handed controls. I thought I'd be doing right-handed, but it felt more natural to me to have left-handed controls, and just put this, my right hand, at the bottom here. I actually don't know how they can talk at the same time. Talk, breathe, and quilt. Very, very hard to do that. Now, one thing she did suggest is, if you're doing this close work and that, is like a bag of beans will help. So let's try it out, see if it is. And it does seem to be making a bit of a difference. But doing this design should help me get used to treble stitching with any luck. I don't particularly think I'd use this design on any quilts. But what I think I will do is make a few table runs. And then I can do some close custom work on them, because this is one of the reasons I had this, was I want to do the custom work on a large quilt. I can do it sitting down on my necky, but it takes a long time to do. You're constantly moving the quilt. So although if I get good at this and amongst Sundays, I can do custom work on quilts like I do on the necky, but oh, far quicker. Because instead of spending every 5 minutes readjusting the quilt to where it needs to go, oh, like a bead in the way. Instead of readjusting the quilt all the time to where you want it to be, you can do this amount. You can do a good 30 inches by 10 inches easy with this before you have to fiddle around and move it again. So whereas sitting down at the necky, you're lucky if you can get 2 inches by 2 inches without shifting the quilt around and it's starting to drag and everything. But I quite like them. I've not tried stippling yet with this. Now I like the effect that stippling gives, and I can get a very small ish stipple meander on this. And in just a few minutes I've filled up a good 3-5 inches of a small stipple, which is quite good. And the machine seems to prefer it better than those screw roots. Yes, stippling's okay, which means I'm going to be doing a lot of quilts with stippling on. But now let's try paisleys. So quilts, I could do paisleys, not too good yet, and stipple. At least I've got 2. Two designs I can do now. one design quite good, Steppling. Paisley's not too good. Let's have a go at I had to go at the feathers, and I'm atrocious on them. My quilting will rule the work, but I'll save that for when I'm doing it on a plain piece. So I should actually change the foot. So it isn't a... Oh, let's have a go at circles. Come out of there. Surprised myself there that I am travel stitching a lot better. No, it'll look better, but it's not too bad actually, especially if it was in a matching thread. It wouldn't be that noticeable. So I think I'm going to carry on doing some more. Bye.